Hey guys, I'm Anna, and today I'm going to show you how to buy stocks on Cash App. So first of all, you need to open up Cash App on your mobile device. And then from the home screen, tap on this Stocks tab right over here. Once you're on this screen, you need to tap on this search bar at the top. From here, you can explore various stocks and their current market prices. You can even search for a specific stock in this search bar at the top. Once you find a stock you want to buy, tap on it to access the stock details. Once you're on this page, you need to tap on this buy button right over here. A pop-up will come up. Simply select an amount, or you can tap the three dots icon in the bottom right corner and enter in the amount you want to buy. Then click on Next at the bottom. Now Cash App may prompt you to confirm your identity using Face ID. Once you've completed the authentication, double-check all the information before confirming the transaction. Then tap on Confirm at the bottom and you're done. Well, that's how you buy stocks on Cash App. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up to see more videos like this, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.